Alright, today I'm going to be breaking something a little different. This is a full box of 1995 Phil Rizzuto National Pastime. I'm going to try to get to this pretty quick. These cards are kind of difficult to find. They were put out in 95 by Comic Images. There's 36 packs in a box, 7 cards a pack, and inserts include Magnachrome cards, and there's also the possibility of getting a Phil Rizzuto autograph card. Packs are a little strong about in there, but let's get cracking here. First pack, 7 cards. I'll show you what these look like too. Probably going to get a lot of doubles, but they're kind of chrome versions of old advertising pieces, old cards, things like that. Let's see. I'm not going to show you everything, but I want to kind of give you an idea of what we're getting here. Rally Day next Sunday looks like an advertisement. So these were, let's see, Liberty. I think the set is about 90 cards, so I should have a full set in here. And there we go. And this a Magnachrome? I believe I might have gotten a Magnachrome of Cap Anson. Although I'm not real sure what Magnachrome is yet, so that might not be Magnachrome. Hopefully I'll know when I see them. Alright, second pack. We'll do these a little bit faster. Looking for some cool inserts. And like I said, that Phil Rizzuto autograph card. Sam Thompson. Some of these are pretty cool. These are, I mean, a lot of people are into either old stuff or new stuff, and this is definitely a combination of both. Crazy baseball stories, and they have ballparks and things like that. Okay. Might have to split it up into 2 videos. I can't get to all the packs, but doing my best here. There's an Old Glove, comics. These are pretty cool. Because this one's thick. This pack is super thick. I hope that means something. Might just have an extra card. Let's see. I think it just had an extra card. Oh well. Felt really thick. See, this is a T205 of Doherty. Actual T205. I don't know if the chromiums are, I mean the Magnachrome inserts are going to be very easy to spot. I might have to go back and take a closer look and see. That might just be the rainbow. That might be Magnachrome actually. It's kind of rainbowish. Cut sheet of die cuts. Back in the good old days. Looking for that Phil Rizzuto. Trying not to let this go on too long. 36 packs, and they don't put that many packs in boxes anymore. It's like double in that pack. I know I'll have a lot of doubles when I'm done busting this, so if any of y'all out there watching this see and are interested in some of these cards, I'm hoping to put together a full set for myself, and then sell or trade off any extras I might have. So definitely send me an email or leave me a message if you'd like to get your hands on some of these. Definitely already seen some doubles and triples. Like that pack was almost identical to the pack before it. That's the way it goes though. 90 cards in a set, 36 packs, 7 cards. It's 250 cards, give or take. There's a card of Phil Rizzuto at the microphone. It's not autographed, but it's the first one I've seen of Phil Rizzuto, and the card's named for him. For that autograph, it's going to be really, really nice if I pull that. Let's see, some Japanese players. These cards do have different colored backs. I don't know that there's any real difference, and if I don't think there's parallels or anything. They might have just done that for some keep things interesting. Never know. There's a checklist, and another Phil Rizzuto. Again, autograph. And the strange thing is the Phil Rizzuto cards are a good bit thinner than the other cards. They were just trying to keep the packs interesting. And I might stop here in a second and go ahead and do a second video for the rest of the packs, because it's going to take just a little while. Turkey Red, Bobby Wallace, and Sam cartoon. I'm going to go ahead and stop there at 7 minutes and do the other half of the box or so in the second video. Thanks for watching.